Two of the biggest names in password protection go head to head. One big question: which one really delivers? On the left, Dashlane, smart and simple security for everyone. And on the right, Keeper Security, offering ultimate protection with zero compromise. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Before we jump in, let's get a quick lay of the land. A little mind map action. Here's what we're comparing: price, security, family and sharing, business features, extras, platform support, and lastly, privacy and compliance. Ready? Buckle up. Let's kick it off with price. Okay, Dashlane's interesting. They toss in VPN, which honestly is kind of nice. Plus, if you're a nonprofit, you get a little discount. But if you're looking at business plans, the numbers start sliding up. Like, it gets a bit pricey. Now, Keeper... Oh, and here's something cool. Keeper's business plans are just way friendlier to the wallet. We're talking $2 a user per month versus Dashlane's $8. And if you're a student or military, you score discounts too. The only thing, their free version's a bit basic. So yeah, for pure value, Keeper takes the win here. Next up, security. Both these apps throw around military-grade encryption, AES 256, which is kind of standard at this point. Dashlane's all about zero knowledge, they've got SOC 2 Type 2 certs, and they include dark web monitoring. That's decent, but if you're a security nerd, Dashlane's had a little less third-party auditing and no FedRAMP kind of stuff. Keeper, though, honestly, they're extra here. You get record-level encryption, double encryption on transmission, zero trust setup, and they're all in on FIDO2 keys if you're about hardware. More audits too. Oh, but no VPN included. Still, if you want that enterprise level security, Keeper totally runs ahead. Let's talk family and sharing. Dashlane does a solid job here. Classic friends and family plan and sharing that's easy to use. Only snag, your fam needs to have a Dashlane account, and you can't send expiring links. Pretty standard stuff. Keeper's got this nifty one-time share, so you can securely shoot passwords to folks not on Keeper. Plus, if your biz rolls with Keeper, you get a free family plan tucked in. Honestly, both are pretty neck and neck on this one, so I'm calling it a tie.
Wait up! Here's a wild fact. Did you know over 80% of data breaches are caused by weak or reused passwords? Yep, it's that simple. Scary, right?
Onward. Business features. If you're just doing core password management, Dashlane covers you. SSO integration? Yep, but the admin stuff is kind of flat. No on-prem SSO, and nothing fancy for compliance. Keeper Security? Okay, this is next level. They've got all those granular admin roles, wild detailed audit logs, support for both on-prem and cloud SSO, plus all the FedRAMP and ITAR checks. If you need privileged access management, their Keeper PAM module exists. So yeah, Keeper is miles ahead for business. Let's have a little fun. Extras. Dashlane's one of the very few with a built-in VPN. I mean, it's not the deepest VPN, but it's right there, ready to go. Password changer, autofill, dark web alerts, you get a nice little toolkit. Keeper doesn't have a VPN, but their secure file storage is pretty handy, and BreachWatch dark web monitoring is in the mix. Still, Dashlane's extras just pop here. It's got that wow factor. Platform support time. Dashlane honestly crushes it. Works basically everywhere, with autofill that's freakishly smooth. No complaints. Keeper is rocking broad platform support too, but users say form filling can be a bit clunkier sometimes. If you want seamless, Dashlane nails it. Now, privacy and compliance. Dashlane's privacy policy is solid, though they've had a couple more publicized incidents in the past. Not a deal breaker, but, you know, it's there. Keeper, on the other hand, these folks are all about continuous audits and being super transparent. They check all the compliance boxes: FedRAMP, ITAR, GovRAMP, you name it. So, for peace of mind, Keeper walks away with the win. To wrap up the comparison, here's the big picture. Imagine a radar chart showing how Dashlane and Keeper score across price, security, family and sharing, business features, extras, platform support, and privacy and compliance. Keeper really shines for business, power users, and security nuts, while Dashlane's perks are perfect if you want something smooth with the extra goodies. So, if you're an everyday user or you just want that built-in VPN and great autofill, Dashlane feels right at home. But for business, security pros, or, let's be real, anyone who's got to tick those compliance boxes, Keeper is hands down the winner here. If you found this helpful, hey, go check out a free trial. Hit up dashlane.com or keepersecurity.com, see which one fits your vibe.